two schools A and B are 7 kilometers apart, and the bearing of A from B is 280 degrees. Using scale 1 cm equals 1 kilometer, construct a diagram showing the relative positions of A and B. So we are supposed to do sort of a sketch. We are going to use proper instruments to really do an actual presentation of this. In previous lessons, we were just using sketches. This one, we're going to use scale drawing. So we start. A from B means B to A. So with B, with a north line, make a reflex angle of 2, measure a reflex angle of 280. Okay, so I'm going to measure 280 degrees. That's all the way from north line. That's my 280. Now, I know the distance between them is 7 kilometers. So even though I'm going to make a straight line, I need to make the straight line 7 cm long, because 7 kilometers will look like 7 cm on paper according to the scale. Because if 1 is 1 kilometer, 2 is 2 kilometer, 7 is 7 kilometer, in that order. So I need to measure 7 cm. As you can see, that 7 cm, the end of the 7 cm is where the other point will be, which is point A. We've now been able to use scales to represent exactly what this wants us to do. Relative positions of A and B. This is where it's going to be like. Distance 7 cm, angle exactly 280 degrees. Okay. Now let's look at a typical exam question.